Taiwan is geographically located at the core of the Asia-Pacific region. It's the optimal location for an Asia-Pacific operations center and the hub that connects Europe, the United States, China, and emerging markets in the Asia-Pacific. Kaohsiung is where the ocean and air shipping routes cross. It possesses rich resources and sophisticated manufacturing and design experience. Besides cooperation with big brands in Europe and the US, its high-tech industry is integral to the global supply chain. The convenient transshipment system, abundant manpower, and diverse cultural creativity make Kaohsiung an ideal base for future prosperity for every investor. The port of Kaohsiung is the largest international port in Taiwan and one of the world's major container ports, connecting 367 ports in 102 countries on 5 continents with over 300 routes. Its transportation network makes it possible to reach major cities in the Asia-Pacific and other regions in the shortest time possible. Kaohsiung International Airport has a well-developed network of domestic and international flights. It connects Tokyo, Seoul, and Shanghai in the north, and Hong Kong, Singapore, and capitals of the 10 ASEAN countries in the south, offering convenient air transportation. The launch of the high-speed rail shortened the distance between Kaohsiung and other domestic cities and helps to efficiently integrate resources. The Kaohsiung Railway Underground and Rapid Transit Operation projects will eliminate obstacles on both sides of the railway and balance urban development. The launch of the north-south and east-west lines of the Kaohsiung MRT system has cut down travel time and expanded city residents' living circles. Kaohsiung MRT will extend northward to Gongshan and Luzhu to connect them to the greater Kaohsiung area. With the construction of the circular light rail, its shuttle service may be enhanced to save transfer time and increase use of public transport. The 3 major competitive advantages of ocean air transportation, regional economy, and geographic location give Kaohsiung the potential to become a transport hub in Asia and a logistics and transshipment center in East Asia. With the innovative technology corridor, special economic and trade zone for cultural and creative industries, and free trade logistics center as axes for development mapping, Kaohsiung has well-developed industrial parks featuring the advantages of low rental rates, convenient transportation, and industrial clusters. The innovative technology corridor is centered on Kaohsiung Science Park and links Yong'an Industrial Park, Bunzhou Industrial Park, and Nanze Export Processing Zone. It integrates platforms for industry-academia partnership, brings in national R&D centers, and fully consolidates the connections among industrial clusters to create blue oceans. Key industries include IC, photovoltaic, precision machinery, biotechnology, green energy, and innovative medical device industries. 4 certification centers will be established to greatly reduce the time required for certifying technological products for export. This corridor is now the technological base with the most potential in the Asia-Pacific. 80% of metal-related industries in Taiwan are based in Kaohsiung, creating an annual output value of about $60 billion. Integrated precision metal processing technologies, as well as technologies and products concerning natural biomedical and orthopedic materials and medical devices, are the development focus. Well-known enterprises operating here include Chime Innolux, Dongtai, Green Energy Technology, Radiant Optoelectronics, and United Orthopedic. Climate change, energy saving, and carbon reduction have become great concerns around the world. Kaohsiung places its primary focus on green industries that feature low pollution, low energy consumption, and renewable resources. Bunzhou Industrial Park, which focuses on the development of environmental industries, is Taiwan's first eco-friendly industrial park. Kaohsiung is the center for the world's mainstream industry, IC packaging and testing industry. ASE Kaohsiung, OSC, NXP Semiconductors, and other leading companies are operating here, while electronic components, photovoltaic, green energy, biotechnology, and communication industries are developing in peripheral areas, making Kaohsiung a major city for Taiwan's electronics industry. The Special Economic and Trade Zone for Cultural and Creative Industries is located primarily at the port, Love River, and Pier 2 Art Center, and expands to the metropolitan area along the MRT lines, forming a cross-shaped area. Its primary focus is the cruise, tourism, MICE, cultural and creative, film and TV, and digital content industries. Taiwan's films, designs, crafts, and pop music have achieved brilliant results globally in recent years. With assistance from the Film Development and Production Center, Black and White, The Wayward Cloud, and No Puedo Vivir Sin Ti embody the creativity and dreams of filmmakers, breaking records internationally. Sony Computer Entertainment Taiwan Limited and Rhythm & Hue Studios, the world-renowned American 3D visual effects studio, have announced their move to Pier 2 Art Center, while the Japanese Shogakukan Incorporated established a branch company at Kaohsiung Software Park. Rhythm & Hughes plans to bring Hollywood animation techniques to Taiwan. Founder John Hughes said Kaohsiung is blessed with outstanding talents, good infrastructure, and a high quality of life. They plan to enhance Kaohsiung's cultural and creative, as well as film industry, by training professionals in visual effects and aesthetics, with the aim of turning Kaohsiung into the Asia-Pacific's digital content capital.
So we're very, very excited. We're very appreciative of the help you've given us, and we're very excited to begin this venture here in Taiwan.
The inauguration of landmark buildings such as Kaohsiung Exhibition and Convention Center, Kaohsiung Maritime Cultural and Popular Music Center, Kaohsiung Port and Cruise Service Center, and Kaohsiung Municipal Library headquarters in the next 2 years, 2013 to 2015, will foster the creation of this Asian New Bay Area. Kaohsiung's Cultural and Creative Park will eventually become the headquarters of the global cultural and creative industries. The Free Trade Logistics Center, one of the 3 competitive axes of Kaohsiung, is based in the Port of Kaohsiung Free Trade Zone. Combining the Mega Container Terminal, Special Yacht Zone under the Nanxing Project, and Ocean Air Combined Transportation, it aims to develop export-import-oriented logistics and deep processing industries to upgrade the yacht manufacturing industry and help build large, exquisite, high-class yachts. The competitive edge of Made in Kaohsiung brand will thus be recognized. Due to the needs for the development of the 3 major industrial axes, Kaohsiung plans to increase industrial land by 4,498 hectares, including the Nanxing Project Zone, the northern lot of Bunzhou Industrial Park, Metal Fasteners and Logistic Park, the area for second stage Mega Container Terminal, the new area designed for Kaohsiung Science Park, lots to the north of Dafa Industrial Park and Fortune Institute of Technology, and others along Freeway Number 7. This will solve the lack of industrial hinterland. Kaohsiung, a marine city with mountains, ocean, rivers and ports, has a vast hinterland. From Jade Mountain to Taiwan Strait, the 2,946 square kilometers of land provide diverse geographical and ecological features, besides the history and culture of different ethnic groups. Its abundant land and natural resources lay a foundation for Kaohsiung's industrial development. The metropolitan and industrial areas of Kaohsiung enjoy complete infrastructures. The extensive transport network and WiMAX 4G broadband effectively facilitate the rapid development of information and communication technology, realizing the overall digitalization of Kaohsiung. Kaohsiung has a complete utility infrastructure, with water supply rate in industrial parks reaching 100%. Greenification and beautification projects include Taiwan's largest green park, Weiwuying Metropolitan Park, Kaohsiung Metropolitan Park, Aozidi Forest Park, Niaosong Wetlands, Zhouzai Wetlands, and Zhongdu Wetland Park. The well-designed art and cultural centers, exhibition venues, various stadiums, more than 10 world-class department stores, shops, and supermarkets make people's lives better and more convenient. There are 38 colleges and universities near Kaohsiung to cultivate professionals in management and high-tech R&D. Kaohsiung Advanced Intelligent Science Park integrates teaching resources through 7 adjacent colleges and universities, popularizing culture and education and enhancing competitiveness. Rated number 1 in environmental forces, Kaohsiung is a city suitable for living. The sun, ocean, and city brand are the 3 major advantages of Kaohsiung. Kaohsiung city government is promoting low-carbon clean energy, marine, cultural, and creative tourism industries, while expanding logistics and precision farming operations. To facilitate resource development, if you begin operation in Kaohsiung now, you'll immediately enjoy the reduced enterprise income tax rate of 17%, R&D funds from the central government, plus incentives from the Kaohsiung city government, such as interest, rental, and house tax subsidies. Kaohsiung's long-planned investment mapping projects have been launched. Now is the prime moment, and we have reserved the best location especially for you. We earnestly invite you to base operations in Asia's economic center, Kaohsiung. Extend your outreach to Asia and ultimately operate throughout the world.